Mitrulara Bandhulara Mitranam, welcome to South Asia Maps Education Channel. This is your presenter Dr. J. Reddy, J. Tirupati Reddy. Mitrulara, we are continuing our Kerala series, Kerala Churams, Kerala passes, Ghat regions. That is the pass or a Churam or a gorge or a Ghat section, Ghat roads, gaps or defiles. This series we are in part 7. The title of today's discussion will be Nedunkani Churam or Nedungani Churam or Vazi.kkada.vu Churam Vazi.kkada.vu Pass. The pass connects the historic Malabar region, currently Malappuram district, Nilambur town, to Nadugani or Nedunkani town of the Gudalur taluk of Nilgiris district of Tamil Nadu province. That is from Nilambur to, we can say, Nedugani to Gudalur. This pass is present. The pass is called Nedunkani or Nedungani Churam Nedungani Pass, Vazi.kkada.vu Churam or Pass. Mitranam, and this is our Kerala Churam series, and we are in this is the one, part 7 from Nilambur to Nedungani Churam or Gudalur Pass. Previously we have covered PandaLur Pass, PandaLur Churam. And similar Kerala related series in Malabar, I have covered varied topic extensively and I have posted most of them. You can look at them. That's the Malabar region of Kerala province. This is the Kerala Churams. And also I posted a lot of presentations on the Kerala region, the broader Kerala history, geography, culture, and so on. You can look at them. And all of them, Mitranam, you can present at South Asia Maps, J. Reddy. We have 676 videos as of 2024 November, and I have put them in round about 70 playlists. You can pick and choose the playlist of our interest, all at South Asia Maps, J. Reddy. Coming back to our Gudalur Pass or Nedungani Churam, Nedungani Pass. And this is the broader picture of all the passes in one place. I am showing here so that you will have at one place you can see all of these passes connecting the lowlands, midlands to the highland like Kurgu Plateau, Wayanad Plateau, and Gudalur, PandaLur, Udagamandalam Plateau, all these regions. In the initial stage, I posted around about 7 or 8, and I will be, as the time permits, will be posting other passes like Palakkad Pass and Arayankavu, Tenka, Shishankotta, and Malakkapara, and Marayuru, and so on, as the time permits later. And before that, a pass is like you have hills here, you have hills here, and you have I can put here pass here between the these are subdued regions. Even more subdued means there is a gap. Suppose this is 700 meters, this is 700, it's around about 600 meters. You can lay down a road or people can pass, communication occurs here. That's the Ghat section or a pass or a Churam or a Ghat or a Ghat gap defile. And some of the I will be mentioning the distances, heights, elevations, mean sea level, so that here I am showing you broader idea. I have just to round it up so that easier for you to remember. Maybe 5-10 meters may not matter that much. Simla, that is the capital of the Himachali Punjab, that is a Bahati speaking region of eastern Punjab, is 22 meters mean sea level. Udagamandalam is more or less the same. Ooty or Udagamandalam in Nilgiri district. Delhi being on the interjunction of the Ganga Maidan and Sindhu Maidan is around about 250. Delhi ridge may be 10, 20, 30 meters above. Tirumala, where the Balaji Venkateswara Swami resides, that is the above Tirupati town, is around about 1 kilometers above sea level, that plateau region. That means 1 kilometer, same as almost Yaswantapura railway station in the Bangalore agglomeration. Whereas Tirupati town itself, the base is around about 250 meters. That means around about 700 meters height you have to climb to reach the Balaji Mandir. Mahabaleshwar, the hill station as well as the pilgrimage center is around about 1400 meters or so. Here, some of the mountains I'll be talking about: the Nilgiris, Angindas, Kunda Hills, Attapadi Valley, Palakkad Hills. T is missing here. So just I have spelled them here so that you'll have at one place. And so what, you know what I'm talking about. Nadugani Churam. Remember, always they're spelled differently. Now, sometimes Nedunkani is also spelled Nedungani. Instead of K, there will be G, letter G, like in Gujarat. K is from the Kathmandu. So Nedunkani. Here I have given this spelling. And we start with Nilambur. Nilambur is the town. It is in the base. It is in the upper base region of Chalier River, also called Baipur River. This is in the Malappuram district. Used to be part of Irnad area, historical Irnad area, Nilambur town. Manjeri Malappuram will be somewhere here. So we can say that pass is from Malappuram, Manjeri or Nilambur. Nilambur is also railway terminus from Shoranuru Junction. That is the Calicut to Jolarpet line or Calicut to Madras line, or from Coimbatore to Mangalore line. So Shoranuru is a very big junction. North we go to Nilambur, and south we can go to Tirushi, Ernakulam, all those areas. Nilamburu, then ChungThara. Nilamburu itself is 33 meters, Malappuram 21 meters. Here I put, then go to ChungThara. From ChungThara, other pass we can take to go to Nilgiri Plateau. That is the PandaLur pass. I have given here from ChungThara, we can to Pottukkal and Annapara and hairpin bends 800 meters or so. PandaLur is around about 950 meters. Same height as Tirumala Tirupati or Bangalore railway station or Yeshwantpura railway station. PandaLur Taluk and Gudalur Taluks used to be the historically part of Wayanad district. Now they are eastern part of Wayanad district was given to Nilgiri district later. So we are in Nilamburu, ChungThara. Then we are Muppini. We are talking about Gudalur Pass, Nedungani Pass, Muppini town here. Then Vazi.kkada town is 40 meters. Vazi.kkada.vu town 40 meters, and Idakara town is, I don't know, I didn't put the meters, may not be, ManiMooly town here. So actual, you start hairpin bends and climbing the mountains. By Nedungani, you get 858. Nedungani Pass. Gudalur is a little bit higher, 100 meters or so, 975. So you have PandaLur, Gudalur, almost the same height, 950 meters. Somewhere here you will see Udagamandalam. And Nedvatam to Udagamandalam, that is 22 meters. Essentially, Nilambur to Gudalur Pass, Nilambur to Nadukani Pass. Yeah, we can see these passes. So Nilambur, Manjeri town here, Nilambur. This is the old historical map. So you may not, the spellings of the places may be little different. So this is the Manjeri town and this is the Nilambur town. So the roadway, this is the Gudalur. So Gudalur Pass, this is what we are talking about. Previously we talked about this is the PandaLur Pass. PandaLur Pass, Gudalur Pass, Nedungani Pass. You can see the plateau region, mountain region here. So you can see the Ghat roads in general, hairpin bends, thus you can Google and find them. So we started Nilambur here. Nilambur, this is the Parental Manna, Manarkad region. Nilambur will be here. This is the head railway head terminus, the take land, the take wood area, the cannoli plantations, all those things. British built the rail line that is from the Shoranuru junction to Nilambur. Once we are in Nilambur, the historical old pass to Gudalur is this one. ChungThara town here. Then Idakkara town here. Then the Vazi.kkada.vu town here. Then abruptly the roadway, you can see the hairpin pin start here. ManiMooly here. ManiMooly town here. After that you can see very steep climb. You can see all the hairpin pins here and towns. You go to eventually Nadukani. That's the pass. Nedugani, they have spelled here differently. But sometimes the pass is also called Gudalur pass. That's the Gudalur pass. And previously we looked at the PandaLur pass. Remember, PandaLur and Gudalur used to be the parts of Wayanad district of the Malabar region, Wayanad area of Malabar region, East Wayanad, West Wayanad, like that. And once we are in Gudalur, one can travel to Udagamandalam via Neduvata. So you have Makurti mountains here, Anginda mountains here, Anginda peak here. And so this is the Kunda mountain. This is also Kunda Taluk. There should be Kunda mountain somewhere. This is a Kunda mountain. The Attapadi, the valley Attapadi. Then here this is the Palakkad mountains is the Novil river valley on which Coimbatore town as well as the Tirupur towns are present. And this is the Palakkad hills. This is the Palakkad gap. Gap is different from hills. So we can see Nilambur here. I am showing on the Baipur river. This is the Baipur river. You can see the Baipur town also. Nilambur. That is the railway junction. And Nilambur to ChungThara we are taking here. You can see the hairpin bends. You can see so many hairpin bends there. Go to Nadugani. So from Nadugani we can go to and Devala, PandaLur and Muppani to Kalpetta. That's the district headquarters of Wayanad district. So the easiest way, even though Wayanad is a part of Kerala, from Nilambur, instead of traveling all this, people can take the PandaLur pass, go to Muppani or Kalpetta, even to Sultan Battery. So we looked at PandaLur pass before. That's the PandaLur. Now this is the Nedungani pass we are looking at. And we can see that. So we take the Nilambur here, Vandur, Nilambur here, and Gudalur. So the Gudalur pass. That is the Nedukani pass, Nedungani pass. So PandaLur pass we covered before. Annapara pass, now Nedungani. You can see the Nedungani town here. Hairpin bends all over. And so Muppani here. You have Nedungani here and Gudalur. So here you can see the Nilambur basin. That's the Chaliar basin. That is the Baipur river basin. This is the Calicut. This is the Baipur river. So you can see because the railway, red ones are the railway lines. That means the Metupalayam to Kunuru, Udagamandalam. It ends there. Bhavani river, Bhavani Sagar here. That means this is the Gudalur. Neduvata will be here. This is the Nedungani pass, the pass we are talking about. This is the PandaLur pass. Because there is the railway head here, then that is the Nilambur. So Nilambur, we can see here comes to this the Nedugani, this the Gudalur, this is the PandaLur. So this is the Sultan Battery. From PandaLur, one can go to Sultan Battery because the Karipuja Dam, this is the Kalpetta mountains, Kalpetta town here. So this is the Kurva Dweep, Kurva Island, that means the Kabbani river, Kabbani, Banasura river, this is the Manantwadi. So the historic Malabar district, Mahi, we are looking about this region. Yeah, here you can see a little more detailed map. I will say this is not a complete map, this is a partial map, but that will suffice for her. Manjeri, Malappuram, remember they are the big towns in Malappuram district. So Vadanuru, that's the railway line. It goes to Chaliar River, eventually to Nilambur. Take land. The take land, Nilambur. We are in Nilambur now. From Nilambur, we have to climb the mountains to go to. Yeah, you can see Nedungani. It should be see Nedungani here. Yeah, it's a Nedugani. It is spelled a little differently, Nedugani. So Nedugani. See, there are hairpin pins you can see here. PandaLur, here the old map didn't show this PandaLur from Portugal. So PandaLur, the Churam, it was not built at that time. Devala town here. So Nedungani. And Gudalur will be here. That's the one of the taluk headquarters. So we are in the Nilambur here. Nilambur. So I will show you the taluks of this one. Yes, see the Nilgiri historic Nilgiri district, Kunda. So there is also Kunda mountains. And Kunur taluk, adjoining Metupalayam taluk of Coimbatore, Kotagiri taluk, Udagamandalam or Ooty. Then you see Gudalur taluk. This is the PandaLur taluk or PandaLur. It's spelled a little differently. These two western part used to be part of Wayanad region of Calicut district. That's the Malabar district. Yeah, we have covered all of them. So that's about the fascinating Nedunkani Pass, Nedungani Churam, Vazi.kkada.vu Churam, because the Churam can be given different names based upon the prominent urban center. Even it can be named Gudalur Pass. When they say Gudalur Pass, this is the pass they are talking about. When they say PandaLur Pass, this is the pass they are talking about. And the next presentations, Mitrana, will talk about the Attapadi Pass, that is the Mukkali Churam. Attapadi is a town in the Mannakkad taluk of the Palakkad district of the historic Malabar region, that is the northern part of Kerala province state. This is our presenter, Dr. Jeredy. If you like the presentations, and you can subscribe the channel, post your comments, or even bring it to the notice of your friends. Thank you very much. ధన్యవాదాలు మిత్రునా.